All right, the last assignment will take you a little while to get through. It's just chapter 2. And here you can see that the textbook is available online, but only a fair use portion of it. That it just stops at the end of the first page of chapter 2. So what I did was I typed it in, and you can see here it says it starts out Vannevar Bush envisioned a machine. And what you have to do is just choose which one it is. And then if you wait long enough, it'll tell you, just to give you a hint. And here we go. Maybe not a hint, but give you the entire answer if you wait long enough. And you just kind of read the chapter. And then after you're done clicking everything, you see the next button will show up here. And our progress meter went from 1 to 2%. So you can tell this is going to take a little while, but hopefully it's not a difficult assignment.